Hey, it's Baz here back with a wee news video, and it's just that something that had happened at the tail end of last week. I just sort of wanted to do a wee video, just sort of a couple of wee thoughts that I had on it. So basically, Intel had their investors meeting, and basically one of the things that came out of it that because they're having problems getting out even their 10 nanometer processors and their 7 nanometer process, that they're potentially pulling out the CPU market. So it's quite a big headline. For me, it's a very strange one if Intel decides to pull out of making CPUs, because they've been doing this for so long, and as far as I can remember, did I read that been doing this for 50 years, and I don't know. Sorry, I'm just doing this off the cuff, and I'm just sort of talking just my thoughts, because it's sort of got me thinking. It's just sort of puzzled me about it as well. You know, I don't know what the right word is, but it's going to be strange, you know, if Intel stops making CPUs. My only concern if they did stop making CPUs is basically if they go the TSMC route that AMD is on, and they're going to go to their 7 nanometer process, that if both companies, so if AMD and Intel are using that same process from TSMC, how will that affect innovation, and how, you know, are they going to be similar in a way? So is there going to be much difference in the two processes that they have because they're using the same company and the same 7 nanometer process? I'm sorry, I'm just a wee bit lost for words at the same time as doing this, but how is this going to affect innovation, and how is it going to matter? Is it going to affect innovation by them using the same company, or does it not? So someone might need to do a wee bit of research, a bit more reading into this, and maybe do another wee video down the line. But it's just sort of a wee thought I've had, and just like, you know, will it affect it, and you know. But then at the end of the day, like, they haven't said they're going to. Intel's not going to. They haven't said they're definitely going down this route or not. But because their process was originally supposed to be out in 2017, we're now in 2020, and they still haven't even got their 10 nanometer, never mind their 7 nanometer process out. So, sorry, 2 seconds. So, will they go down that route? We'll have to wait and see. I would say, like, Intel's probably at this stage, they're debating this, and they have big discussions on this, what they'll do. But I would say probably within this next year or two, we'll know what they're doing and what route they're going, and we'll have to see. But I'm just still lost for words. Like, I just can't imagine Intel not making their own CPUs, because they've been doing it that long. Sorry, lost for words again. But basically, I just want to do this wee quick video, just sort of my thoughts, and but, you know, from what I've heard and read bits and pieces. I might do a wee bit more research into it, maybe the whole back history, maybe, and just to see if, I don't know. We'll have a wee video. We'll do a wee bit of discussion, a wee bit of talking again. But look, we'll end it there. See what happens. We'll have to just watch this space and see what goes on. If you like the content that I've created and want to support the channel, you know what to do. Get more videos out soon. See you soon. Bye.